We here at Click and Grow love plants. We grow them in smart gardens, we eat them, use them to brighten our homes and offices, and we respect and admire them. There's so much more to them than meets the eye. Here are 10 fun facts about plants that you probably never knew. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more interesting videos. 1. Plants talk to each other. Science tells us that plants talk to each other. They do this via their roots in a very unique way, by secreting chemicals into the soil. These chemicals, called root exudates, tell every other living thing in the root zone how the plant is doing. 2. Plants recognize their siblings. Biologists have found that plants exhibit competitiveness amongst strangers of the same species, but they are more accommodating towards their siblings. 3. Plants react to sound. Plants aren't just passive things. They react to their environment in ways that aren't always obvious. Some of these reactions are more surprising than others, and scientists are trying to make sense of them. 4. Plants sense gravity. Plants know a lot more than we give them credit for. They can sense gravity and respond positively to it. Scientists call this response gravitropism. It's similar to how we humans can sense the pull of gravity and know which way is up. 5. Plants use tricks to lure pollinators. Plants are just as capable of deception as animals. In fact, some plants use lures to trick potential pollinators into visiting flowers that don't actually produce any nectar for reward. They still receive pollen with the help of the insect as it visits each flower searching for nectar. 6. Plants release distress signals when under stress. The smell of freshly cut grass is actually a plant distress call. Many plants release scents or volatile chemicals when they are stressed, attracting insects and other animals that can help them escape from a dangerous situation. 7. Plants know what time it is. 8. Plants know their season, but they don't use a calendar. For plants that live in climates with drastic temperature changes, it's important to tell when the seasons are altering. For example, in the spring, when days become longer, a plant will receive more sunlight. When it receives enough sunlight, its leaves begin to form flowers and seeds that will reproduce for the next season. 9. Strawberry is the only fruit that bears its seeds on the outside. There are over 600 varieties of strawberries, each one containing around 200 seeds. The reason why a strawberry's seeds are on the outside is because of the plant's structure, which is a central receptacle surrounded by tiny, dry fruits. 10. Trees are the longest living organisms on Earth. Many trees live hundreds, even thousands of years, sending down new roots and sprouting new branches as their bodies grow. It's believed that the Great Basin bristlecone pine is the oldest living tree species. Situated in the White Mountains of California, it has an estimated age of